Devontae, obviously the first cuts were made today whatsoever, with some guys going back to their junior teams. I guess you have to be happy that you've at least survived that and be able to stick around for a little bit.
Yeah, for sure. I mean, I know last year after the first exhibition game, I was sent home, and obviously it was kind of expected, but anytime you're sent back, you're cut from the team, it's a little bit hard, and I'm glad I made it past the first cut this year.
How did you feel your first game go the other night there?
I thought it was all right. You know, I was playing pretty physical, which again is my game. But I mean, I got to pick it up a little bit offensively if I want to have a chance here.
What have you been sort of told by Randy and the coaching staff thus far? What have you been kind of told in conversations with them?
Just to play my game. Again, two-way power forward guy, and like I said, I was pretty physical in my first game, and but you know, there's also an offensive game that I have to play to be able to make the team.
I imagine that this weekend's going to be kind of key for you, because obviously you're going to be getting another look at least.
Exactly.
Here.
I guess I'm going to look at this weekend as like a do or die kind of situation. You know, they're giving me another chance, maybe two chances to prove them that I can make the team, and I got to make sure I take advantage of the second chance.
Yeah, Devontae, what have you noticed thus far in terms of being in camp this year as opposed to last year?
I think this year I'm a little bit more comfortable. I know last year coming in a little bit nervous, playing with guys who've been in the NHL for so many years. This year I'm just coming in and trying to prove that I belong. A little less nervous, a little more comfortable, and bigger, stronger, and I think I've just gone a lot better as a player.
The coaches have been pretty emphatic in saying that there are jobs to be open, and they're not just paying it as lip service, there whatsoever. Realistically, what do you feel your chances are?
I mean, if I play my game, play the top of my game the next game or two, I feel like I definitely have a chance to be in that opening day lineup. There's a lot of young guys here going to the same spots, and they're all great players, and they're all playing well right now. So you just kind of separate yourself from the group, and whatever happens, happens.
Right, exactly.